I've heard horse owners talk about testing their horse when they come home from a show. Is that something you would advise, and how effective is that?
Actually, we advise against that, and we advise that only horses that are showing clinical signs be tested. Like we talked about before, herpes virus is a virus that can become latent in the horse's body, and the horse could be infected with herpes without being a shedder and without having...
actually show up positive, but they're not shedding.
Exactly. You can have a horse show up positive, and it's hard to interpret those. Did that horse have that herpes virus before, or did he get it from the show? And so we recommend that only horses that are sick with clinical signs that are typical be tested for herpes virus.
Is there any possibility that just vaccinating your horse is going to show up in a test?
Some tests, yes. So when we look for antibodies against the virus in the serum, certainly those can be positive secondary to vaccinations. There's some other tests that we do on nasal swabs and on whole blood that actually look for the DNA of the virus. However, some of the more conventional tests, like the serum tests, can be confusing when the horse is vaccinated, yes.
So it's not recommended to test all, all horses if they're not showing any symptoms?
Absolutely correct. It is recommended against screening horses for herpes virus.